Check it out. I'm finished with my Boyds Hardwood Gunstocks furniture upgrade on this AR-15. I'll talk about that experience in this video. Hey guys, Gavin Gear here from UltimateReloader.com. It's done. This is the Midsouth Shooter Supply Delton Budget AR-15 build, and then on top of that, a Boyds Hardwood Gunstocks furniture upgrade. Okay, so we're taking a different approach with this video series. In the first video here on YouTube, I did a little bit of a kickoff and showed you all the parts and all of the pieces. We unboxed the Delton kit. We talked about all of the Wheeler tools, but we didn't show you anything because we can't here on YouTube. So on Rumble, 2 Rumble exclusive videos. First, the lower build, right? With the Delton kit, you get a complete upper. You have to build out the lower. Showed all of those Wheeler tools in action. We put the rifle together, we test fired it and function checked it. It actually works really, really well. Okay, in the second Rumble exclusive video, we took things further by upgrading the furniture with these furniture pieces from Boyds. The A2 style buttstock, the grip, and the handguard pieces. There's 2 different pieces that come together. It uses basically a standard M4 style arrangement with Delta ring. And the upgrade was really straightforward for the most part. I did a little bit of hand fitting on the inside to add a little bit of extra clearance for my barrel nut, which I believe is a little bit further forward than what Boyds calculated. But everything else just dropped into place. You pull the Delta ring back, you pop the pieces in, the grip screws on, and it's a standard A2 style buttstock installation at that point. So, you know, once you get any fit and finish figured out, it's really about a half-an-hour job to swap out all 3 component sets. And I'll have to tell you, you know, it feels really different. It feels very different than the sort of polymer furniture experience that you're going to get with a standard AR-15. So, towards the end of the Boyds furniture upgrade video, we took the rifle out and we shot it on some steel targets. Let me show you what happened then. So I just shot this rifle about an hour ago when I did the initial Delton build, and now we've got new furniture on it, so it'll be an interesting kind of side-by-side comparison to see how things are going to work here. And the biggest difference I feel so far is definitely the cheek weld against the wood there. There's a little bit more swell on the handguard, which gives it a lot better feel for someone like myself with large hands. That is certainly a lot of fun, and I think at the end of the day, this is for someone that wants something different out of their AR. It feels different, it looks different. My question to you is, what do you think? What do you think of my budget AR-15 build with the Boyds Hardwood furniture in nutmeg? Do you have Boyds furniture for your AR? Drop a comment and let's start a discussion. Don't forget to check out the other videos in this series as well. That concludes this video, and that means it's time to wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, we're on Facebook, YouTube, Rumble, where we've got unrestricted content, and Instagram. Make sure to follow us on all those channels. Ultimate Reloader also has a commercial solutions division serving law enforcement, the military, and the gun industry. We have some unique capabilities, including a comprehensive suite of recoil testing and evaluation capabilities, trigger profiling, and more. If you're interested in custom rifles like what we build here on the channel or gunsmithing services, you're going to want to go to rifles.ultimatereloader.com and get on the wait list. If you want to learn lucrative gunsmithing like what I show here on the channel, including building custom rifles and Cerakote plus a whole bunch more, you're going to want to check out the Colorado School of Trades, schooloftrades.edu. Thanks again for watching.